Next topic is arguments. So function use arguments. Arguments are specific or particular values on which we want to perform different types of calculations. For example, here a1 and a3 are arguments. Next topic is the structure of a function. So in Excel, each function begins or starts with an equal to sign, and this equal to sign is followed by the name of the function. For example, here the name of the function is sum. Then name of the function is followed by a opening parenthesis or opening bracket, and then in these brackets we write arguments, and at the end there is a closing parenthesis or closing bracket. Next topic is types of function. So there are total 11 categories of function in Excel, and in each category there are variety of functions. First category is cube. So if we are using a complex OLAP formulas, the full form of OLAP is online analytical processing formulas like pivot tables. So cube function take OLAP data, means online analytical processing data, and display this data in a cell. Second category is date and time. This category includes different functions for calculating dates, time and minutes. Third is engineering. So in this category there are different types of functions for performing engineering calculations. Next category is financial. So in this category there are different types of functions for calculating the loan amount, principal amount, interest rate, depreciation and future values. Next is information. So this category includes different functions for testing the data. Next category is logical. So this category includes different functions for forming opinion or driving conclusion or depending on the conditions. Next is lookup and reference. This category includes different functions to locate particular values in worksheets. Next category is mathematical and trigonometric. So this category includes different types of functions for performing mathematical calculations. Next is statistical. So this category includes different types of functions for calculating averages, for finding probability, ranking, trends and more. Next is text. So this category of functions perform different operations on textual data, and we can use these text-based functions to search and replace data and other text tasks. Last category is database. So if we are using Excel as a database program, then we can use this category to perform different database functions like to count, add and file database items. So next is update your knowledge. So in Excel, each function begins or starts with an equal to sign, and the data that Excel used to calculate a function is enclosed in parentheses or in brackets.